Oversight Authority Chairperson have today appeared before the Senate Joint Committees, Security and Justice and Legal Affairs, to answer to questions on the conduct of police officers while enforcing the COVID-19 regulations. In focus was the conduct of the officers while enforcing the regulations in Embu led to the death of two brothers, that is Benson Njiru and Emmanuel Mutura, in August 1st, 2021. Fred Kagonya, who is here in studio with me, followed the proceedings. Fred Kagonya, good afternoon and thank you so much for joining us here on KTN News Desk. I know the proceedings are still currently underway, but kindly give us a glimpse of what transpired, what you got so far.
Thank you very much, Brenda. Like you've said, the Independent Policing Oversight Authority, together with the IG, Hilary Mutyambai, and the Office of the Director of Public Prosecutions, today appeared before the Joint Committees of Security and the Justice and Legal Affairs Committee of the Senate. In focus basically was about the death of the two brothers, that is Benson Njiru and Emmanuel Mutura, who were killed on the 1st of August this year in Embu. The two brothers died in police custody, and so Embu Senator Jerun Duiga was the one who raised it at the floor of the House, and then the Speaker ruled that it should be handled by the two committees, that is the Security Committee and the Jailer Committees. And today the IG came to basically give an update of the progress of the two cases, of that case rather. And in his submissions, he said that the 6 officers who were involved in the patrol on that particular day were arrested and arraigned in court. They were arraigned on the 2nd of they were arraigned on the 1st, on the 2nd, they were arraigned this month, on the 2nd of September this month. And according to the Office of the Director of Public Prosecutions, is that they applied for bail, which will be ruled on the 22nd of this month. So basically, that is what the IG had come to say, had come to do to the committee. And when the DPP, that is Anne Makori, who not Anne Makori Rata, but Dorcas Odor from the Office of the Director of Public Prosecutions was making her submissions, she said that there needs to be, there's a need for the reform of the police service, for it to move from being a force to a service. And some of the things that they said that needs to be done is for the review of the IPOA Act. They wanted a budgetary allocation to be increased so that they can help with the prosecution of these cases, because in some of the issues that they raised is that there has been evidence tampering by the officers, because in this case it is an officer who has committed a crime and fellow officers are supposed to investigate them. So some of the officers are do take advantage of that and tamper with the evidence. Also, they say that there is witness intimidation. In one of the submissions that they made to the two committees is that there should be a budgetary allocation so that it can help with the witness protection. So if a witness witnessed whatever happened and they're supposed to testify, then they are taken to witness protection. Then the other thing was the interference and with the investigation. So in some cases, police officers who are implicated in some of these cases, their colleagues are not willing to give information that may lead to prosecution of their colleagues. So these are some of the issues that they raised, and the senators who are present in the committee meeting today say that they'll see what they can do, and they'll offer the help that they can as the Senate to the 3 arms, that is the IPOA, that is the Office of the Director of Public Prosecutions, and also to the IG, so that they can make policing more better than it is today.
All right, Fred Kagonye, thank you so much for giving us that in-depth, explanation on what is happening at the Senate Committee, the Joint Security Committees. This meeting is still currently underway. So, Fred Kagonye, I need to release you so that continue getting what is happening there, so that you can give us more updates during our subsequent bulletins. So far, you're up to date with what is making the headlines here in the country. But allow me to take a short breather. But when we come back, we'll still be looking at the National Assembly. Today, the Kenya Power Board failed to reach a quorum while appearing before the National Assembly's Energy